Why side hustles are becoming a lifeline in 2025. Imagine this. You wake up one morning, grab your coffee, check your emails, and there it is, an unexpected message from your boss. We regret to inform you that your position has been eliminated. Your heart sinks. What now? The bills won't stop coming, groceries aren't getting cheaper, and finding a new job could take months. Sounds scary, right? But here's the thing. Millions of people are already facing this reality. With rising prices, layoffs, and AI replacing jobs, financial security is no longer guaranteed. That's why more and more people are turning to side hustles, not just as a backup plan, but as a way to take control of their income and future. If you've ever thought about starting a side hustle but didn't know where to begin, stick around. Let's break it down in a way that's simple, practical, and easy to follow. Why are side hustles so popular? Think about this. You have a full-time job, but one day your paycheck isn't enough to cover everything. Rent, groceries, unexpected expenses. What do? That's where side hustles come in. They give you extra income without quitting your job. And guess what? A study found that 2 out of 3 people who lost their jobs and started freelancing are now happier because they have more freedom and flexibility. Plus, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, more than 1 million Americans are already doing side gigs to make ends meet. The question is, what side hustle are you thinking about starting?